Hi everyone, this week's diecast review is of a couple Ferraris. The first one is a Ferrari 275 GTB by CMR. CMR is kind of a value priced brand. They do sealed resin. Retail is really about $89, although sometimes you'll see these again for over $100 on eBay. I don't know why, but it's just what they seem to go for. The really nice thing is the photo etched alloy wheels, the wire wheels. It's really nice detail. We also have an open grille. Paintwork is pretty decent quality. Photo etched windshield wipers. This is not a numbered limited edition. I don't know how many they claim to make. I think 1,000, something like that. This is fairly unique subject matter until you get to like BBR, where you'll pay $400 for an opening version of this car. I got this on sale for about, I think, $40, which, as I say, at that price, I can't be mad at it. Interior detail, pretty good. The wood steering wheel is a nice touch. There's no carpeting, no real flocking. Again, this is kind of value-priced resin. A little bit of mock detail underneath. Again, resin does what you expect it to. The windows are pretty good, not the typical BOS or auto that has real big issues. Slight paint issue with that molding, but overall pretty happy with it. Next one is a Ferrari 365 GT4 2+2. This is by KK Scale. Again, kind of a value-priced brand. Retail of about $80 or so. This one's diecast. No opening parts though, but you do have steering wheels and you have some suspension. Kind of unique to KK Scale. Paint, decent. Not perfect, but at this price point you're not really expecting perfection. Mostly open grille. Again, the interior is pretty decent. I don't see any kind of carpeting or flocking, nothing like that. Brakes leave something to be desired. Not that you could see them very well. Wheels and tires are okay at best. Open exhaust tips. This is claimed to be a limited edition of 1,000. Retail again, maybe $89 or so. Again, overpriced on eBay. This was on sale at American Excellence for about $45. I got 4 KK Scale cars for $180 with free shipping. Packaging, there's nothing really to see on the CMR. The KK Scale, at least you get a picture of the car, and note it is a limited edition of 1,000. It is not numbered though underneath, but take it where you can get it. So that's it for this week. This is now not just where I shoot diecast cars, but I'm working from home, just like so many of you are. Everyone stay safe. Tune in next week, like and subscribe. Have a good one.